I want to talk about this filing cabinet that VASAGLE sent me to do a video on. First of all, assembly required. This is pretty straightforward, so you don't have to worry about it. We're going to take a look at all the pieces right here. Everything's included that you need, including the tools. You need a screwdriver, and they're nice enough to send one with you. Instructions are right there. Pretty straightforward. We're going to cover a few things real quick. Very simple to get the beginning part set up. It uses the, I'm not sure what it's called, but the hook and lock. You see right here, you'll put a hook in and then you'll turn it with a screwdriver and lock it into place. Now this was the most difficult part. When you're putting the bottom into the drawers, you want that piece to sit flush. It didn't. You had to loosen up the sides a little bit and make it fit. Took about 30 more seconds. Here's the finished product. Took me about 45 minutes or so to assemble it. Like I said, pretty straightforward, just takes a little bit of time. And the finish is great. It looks fantastic. I like the look. It's got the casters on the bottom, so moving around is going to be easy. Additionally, you can lock this, so if you've got something important you're keeping in there, you can keep it protected. And you can see right here, opening up the top, either side has the tab holders if you're going to have some files in there. That's really convenient, keep things organized. Who's this going to be good for? Pretty much anyone who's looking to get a little bit more organized, wants a filing cabinet that's not just sturdy and looks good, but it's going to help keep organized. I've actually fallen behind a little bit. I have a lot of paperwork that I've been needing to file. This is going to be perfect. If you'd like one for your home or office, click on the link in the description below.